Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending is, we have learned about descending order in previous class. Descending is, we will start from greatest to smallest. So in this question, we will find out which number is greatest, and greatest number we will write first. We will apply the rules of comparing number. First rule is, first of all we will count digits of all the numerals. We are using, it has 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has also 7 digits. And this one has 6 digits. And this has 7 digits. Okay? We are looking, we can find easily which one is smaller, this one is smaller. But in this question we will find out which one is greatest. Rest numerals have 7 digits, so we compare their leftmost place. Leftmost place 6, 5 and 7. It means which one is greatest? We know 6 is greater than 5 and 6, so we will write this number first. This number is greatest number. So 72 like 30,720. This number is greatest. That's why we will apply, we will use this symbol. It is showing this is greater because the mouth of this symbol is open up that side. It means it is greatest number. After that, we will write second smallest number. We will compare these two numbers. We are finding this number is greater. So we will write now this will come this number will come in right place. Now we are looking, this number is greater, that's why it came first, because we are arranging in according to descending order. So bigger number came first and smallest number come last. Okay? Now we will solve question number 4. Six 0 1 5 9. Yes. Form the greatest and smallest number. We are looking, students, we have digits because we have comma after the odd digits. So it is read as a digits. This is 8, 6, 0, 1, 5 and 9. With the help of these digits, we will form a numbers which one is greatest and second one is smallest. So first of all we will make greatest. Greatest. How to make greatest? If you want to form a greatest number, so we will take first number, we will place first number, which one is greatest number. We are looking in these numbers, which one is greatest? 9. 9 will place the leftmost place. 9. Why this is placed in leftmost place? Because if you are moving in place value chart from left to right, their values are increasing. Ones, tens, 100,000. If you are putting here greatest number, it will become bigger number. Because if you are moving here, so this is increasing. Once place have less value, tens have more than once, 10 times more of once, and 100 have 10 times of tens, 1000 is more than 10, thousands value is 10 times more than 100, and 10,000 value is 10 times more than 1000. So we will place first number in leftmost place is greater number. We are putting 9, then after second greatest is 8, then third, fifth, then 5, 1, 0. Now we will put the commas, we will divide according to their periods. This number is 4. It is 9,86,510. Now it is saying form the smallest number. Again, if you want to write smallest numbers, we will place first number which one is smallest among them. We are looking 0 is smallest, but if we are putting 0 in the left of any digits, it have no value. So we will put 0 in second place. We will write second smallest number. Second smallest number is 1. Then after it will come 0. Then third smallest 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay? I think you are understand. How to write? First of all, we will look which one is smallest. We are finding 0 is smallest, but we cannot place 0 on leftmost place, because if you are placing 0 in leftmost of any number, it have no value. It have no value because its value is equal to 1, or its value is always equal to 1. So we will place 0 just after the second smallest. That's why we are putting 0 in second place. Okay? G for greatest. Which making greatest, we will choose greatest number. Which one is greatest among them? 8 is greatest. So we will write 8. Then after second 7. Then third 2, 1 and 0. We will place divide according to their groups. This is greatest. 87,65,210. Now smallest. Again, this one is smaller, but we cannot write. We will write second smallest number. Second smallest number is 1. Then after 0. Then 2. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. That number is 10,25,600.